you're experiencing connection errors in Minecraft, particularly error 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing other devices or applications to see if they are able to connect to the internet. Step 2. Restart your router. Sometimes, simply restarting your router can resolve connectivity issues. Unplug your router, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. Allow it to fully restart before trying to connect to Minecraft again. Step 3. Update Minecraft. Make sure you are using the latest version of Minecraft. Open the game launcher and check for any available updates. If there is an update, download and install it before attempting to connect again. Step 4. Check firewall and antivirus settings. Your firewall or antivirus software may be blocking Minecraft from accessing the internet. Go to your firewall or antivirus settings and ensure that Minecraft is allowed to communicate through the network. You may need to add it as an exception. Step 5. Reinstall Minecraft. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Minecraft. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing connection errors. Make sure to back up your files before uninstalling. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve connection errors in Minecraft. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Minecraft support for further assistance.